If you're watching this video, you're probably someone with extremely ambitious goals, which I applaud you for. But there's something really problematic stopping you. You so desperately want to reach those goals, but there's something holding you back. Procrastination, brain fog, something keeping you from them. You want to know the one shared reason, the one thing that stops 99% of people? Fear. Not just fear of judgment. If you're intelligent enough to watch something like this, you probably don't care too much about what other people think of you. It's fear of ourselves. Fear that we won't make it, that we're not this image of ourselves that we created. We can always spend our days idealizing, oh my god, it would be awesome living this dream life, getting this dream goal, getting everything we wanted. But then we go back to reality and we're not there yet, and there's still 1,001 different obstacles standing in our way. You want to know something? The hard part isn't really starting. It's to keep the momentum going for the first few months after you start. You have to confront this situation without quitting. Damn, it's hard work. Damn, there's no guaranteed paycheck that I'll get. No assurance that this is going to make me succeed. Barely any support from those you care about. And then you make excuses for yourself. Oh, I'm not loved enough. It hurts. It damn well hurts. I know I have like a baby face, but I would know that it damn well hurts. But you want to know what hurts even more? You staying in the exact same spot where you are right now. You think the cost of winning is high? Wait till you see the bill regret will send your way. Literally all that I can tell you is that you have the power to create change for yourself. For example, 3 months ago I was at just over 2k subs, and now I'm over 20k subs without spamming brain rot shorts. You have the power to change, and nobody on the internet can do it for you. You can watch another video and learn something new, but at the end of the day, you have to take action. Act upon the knowledge that you have gained. The power you so desperately seek is found in the work you are avoiding the most, alright? That thing you always dreamed of doing. It's about time you shut the fuck up and go and do that, alright? Take that step forward, because there's no secret pill that you can take to 10x your progress. The real 10x pill is in the mistakes you make and learn from along the way. I know you have that deep pain inside of you. Make it worth something.